In the heart of the 19th century, as America expanded westward, a man named John Muir emerged, a champion for nature and the wilderness that was rapidly disappearing. Born in 1838, in Dunbar, Scotland, Muir immigrated to the United States with his family at the tender age of 11. His love for nature blossomed in the vast wilderness of the American frontier. As a young man, Muir worked as a shepherd, spending long hours in the solitude of the California Sierras. It was here, amidst towering redwoods and roaring waterfalls, that his passion for nature deepened. In 1868, Muir encountered Yosemite Valley for the first time. The sight of its majestic cliffs and thundering waterfalls left an indelible impression on him. He knew he had found a place of unparalleled beauty that needed protection. However, the beauty of Yosemite was under threat. The California State Legislature had granted a concession to a group of entrepreneurs who planned to turn the valley into a tourist trap, complete with hotels and a railroad. Muir was outraged. He wrote letters, gave speeches, and lobbied politicians to save Yosemite. His pleas fell on deaf ears, but he refused to give up. In 1890, President Benjamin Harrison signed the Yosemite Grant, setting aside Yosemite Valley and the Mariposa Grove as a national park. It was the first national park in the United States, and the birth of the conservation movement. Muir's fight for Yosemite was just the beginning. He continued to advocate for the preservation of America's wilderness, founding the Sierra Club in 1892 to further his cause. Muir's legacy lives on today. His tireless efforts to preserve America's natural beauty have inspired generations of conservationists. From the sequoias of Yosemite to the Grand Canyon, Muir's impact can be seen in the millions of acres of protected land across the country. But Muir's work was not just about preserving land, it was about preserving the spirit of America. He believed that America's wilderness was a treasure to be cherished and protected, a reminder of the untamed beauty that once defined our country. Today, we remember John Muir, the man who stood up against the tide of progress to save a piece of America's soul. His story is a testament to the power of one person to make a difference, and a reminder that the fight for our environment is far from over.